Grace, Evan, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Yos, Erpad, Baby Love, Passion, Mary, Peter, thank you for the roses, Rose, Passion, Rubinia, thank you, thank you. Abby, it's me, Daylan, thank you. Daylan, Abby, Pat, Mike, Albert, thank you everyone. Yan na guys, bonus mission. Grace, times 3, times 3. Hintayin natin yung target. Mami Ren, Chocomocho, thank you. Uncle GBL, thank you. Baby Love, Lisa, 2450 guys, 2450. Thank you. Wildflower, Mian, Kaloy, shout out. Thank you. Thank you for the art me. Bella, shout out. Tita Bing, Daylan. Thank you. Grace, Neng, Mami Colleen. Thank you. Kaloy, Jan, thank you. Maria, Chacha, Soye, Amiren, thank you. Tukomocho, thank you. Target please. Mami Kuling, Chacha, Yos, Serpad, PJ, Gunners, thank you, Dylan. Thank you. Tony, thank you. Raisa, Mary, shout out. Thank you guys. Mr. Ye, thank you. White Dragon, Hazel, Lubinia, co-founder, Mercy, Tulukoy, Mami Colleen, Nurse, Tulukoy, Mels, thank you. Gabi, Bella, thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Janers, thank you. Thank you. Tipoy, Mary, your Janers, thank you everyone. Dylan, Boss Madam, Neng, shout out. Thank you. Sir Pab, Maria, Rose, Elsie, Precious, Peter, Bulukoy, Del, Yos, PWD, Christian, Daylan, Precious, Yumika, Chacha, Passion, TBP, Daylan, Karat. Thank you everyone. We'll wait for the victory lap. Thank you,
Yes, Ramo.
Missy.
Thank you,
It's
Ramo.
me.
Thank you.
Yes,
Good luck, good luck.
we'll wait for the victory lap.
Okay. Bye-bye.
You're going down. We'll wait for the victory lap.
Eh, dah habis lah.
2 more minutes.
Macam mana nak keluar ni?
Thank you
Okay.
for my subkit. gifters, guys. Bella, Uncle JBL,
Bye-bye,
Mami
bye-bye.
Colleen, Naka, Mel, Connie, Sir Johnners, Sir RC, Daylan, Miss Oye, Sir Pops, White Dragon, Lavinia, Abby, Mami Ren, Ledger, John, Ning, Mary, Nars, Barbie Girl, Mike Lopez, Wildflower, Tita Bing, Ipoy, Salvation, Tulukoy, Shabby, Chacha, Your Sweet Baby, Yes, it's me, Butterfly Kaloy, Maria, Mian, Rose, Giselle, Rubilin. Ayan, may nag-request pa. Ano ba yan? May nagre-request ng ano. Akit na kayo, guys. Thank you sa aking mga subscribers, guys. Thank you, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank
Congrats. Yung
you.
top, ate, baba mo ko yung top 8 mo ang ipa-priority i-up mo. Baka umalis yung top 8 gifters mo eh.
Papa, sige.
Oo nga, yung mga gifters mo
Mami,
muna.
congrats po.
Wala.
Congratulations!
Thank you, thank you.
Si Janner, sila kuya, sila
Mga
at
gifters
RC
muna natin
27.
ang unahin. Oo nga, yung mga gifters mo muna.
Congrats po.
Wala.
Congratulations!
Thank you, thank you.
Ate, hindi yung top
Thank
8,
you,
inakyat mo lang
everyone.
siya. Mag-aalisa yung mga yan. Baba mo na ako, ate.
Muna
Sige,
natin.
Congrats po.
Ang
Love na
unahin.
po.
Mami, freebies online.
Thank you, Sir Johnners. Mami Colleen, thank you, Mr. Ye, thank you.
Hindi siya
Dapat,
makakya.
thank you.
You're very welcome.
Bella,
We,
thank you.
may issue.
Ay, tap.
May bag yan.
Ah,
Kanina pa,
kaya
sa iba.
nag-stand din ako.
Abby.
Mami freebies.
Po.
Congratulations
Thank you
sa
so much.
naubos
Thank you very
na.
much. Naubos na.
Ubos na yung ano ko. Yes.
Marami
Yun
kang
na.
pinuntahan. Sir RC.
Oh.
Tony.
Oh, bye-bye
Hello,
na.
John.
Ha. Thank you.
Thank you, thank
Hello,
you.
John.
Happy
Sir
birthday.
Johnners. Love you.
Hello, Kuya
Love you,
Papa.
Sir Johnners.
Kuya,
John.
nasa
Japan
Japan ka ngayon?
Apo.
Oo.
Sa Japan siya. Sabi ko nga
Kuya,
pa
kunin kita dito sa ano. PM is the key, ha? PM is the key.
PM mo si si Sir John.
Nandito ako ngayon sa kabilang mundo.
Dyan ka na?
Oh, naka-live ako dito sa kabilang mundo. Kuya Papabs, love you. Ma'am Bella Rosa, maraming salamat sa pag-support sa aming
Ma'am Bella.
ninangan. I will going to follow you. If you're not going to follow me, it's up to you.
May back
Ay na,
battle yan siya,
charis.
Sir Johnners. Sa April
Ha?
6. May back battle yan si Ma'am Bella sa April. Uncle, thank you. Thank you for
Sige.
the gift.
Congratulations
Thank you,
again.
Thank
Uncle
you, Ma'am
JBL,
Colleen.
thank you. Bye.
See you soon.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Sir Johnners.
Bumaba na siya.
Thank you, Sir JBL.
Ba't nasan siya? Kita ba nasan si
Sa
Si
ibang,
Johnners.
sa isang app, busy siya doon sa isang app. May bagong app siya na inaano. May bagong app siya na pinagkakaabalahan.
Pala.
Ni-invite ka ba niya doon, Uncle?
Congratulations.
Ni-invite ka niya doon?
Invite nila ako pero tama na yung isa, masyado na magastos.
Oo nga eh. Oo. Guys, may ano pa tayo? May treasure pa.
Congratulations po.
RTG, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Mel, thank you. Thank you for the gift.
Palo nyo si Antibela,
Opo. Guys, may ano yan si Miss Bella. Meron siyang...
Hina pala ng kalaban mo, no? May hina lang yun.
Puti naman. Saranay! Thank you for joining.
Ang laki
Saan
ng
ka
lamang.
ba ngayon, Auntie Kwan, 3B? Saan ka ba
Palawan
ngayon?
po ako, Uncle. Palawan.
At, Palawan,
Nakapasyal ka na
maganda
ba
dyan
dito
ah.
sa Palawan?